I'm Leanne Ostergaard, and I'm here to present you the tip of the day. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own washi tape, or what we sometimes call fun tape. They're so popular right now, and there's so much of it out there. And why not make your own to your own design as you're creating your craft or your scrapbook page? So what you're going to need for this project is just some double-sided tape, and then I've got some really neat glitter from the Rubber Cafe, and it's a real fine, very, very fine glitter. So you want a very fine grade of glitter. And then also, as you can see on my page here, I'm going to show you how to do a design making it out of tissue paper, and then the glitter. And then also, sometimes we want a velvet, and we don't have the right type of velvet, so I'll show you how to do the velvet look as well. Very easy to be done. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your double-sided tape, and you're going to cut a piece the length that you want it. And then you're just going to stick that down on your project. And once you get that down, then you're going to take the top part off. And let's do the tissue paper to start out with. So then you just take a plain piece of paper or tissue paper, and you can do any color. You can do the white or a colored piece. And you're going to take your clear mounted rubber stamp and some ink, and just kind of put that down, on there really good. And then you're going to stamp. You're going to actually lay this on top here, and you're going to stamp it where you want it. And then you're going to let that sit for a couple of minutes so it dries. After it dries, then what I like to do is I like to take it and just kind of rub it, and the black will smear off just a little bit, but that then will give you a really neat look, kind of a distressed look. Once you do that, then you can cut it to where you want it. And you can rub it back and forth, like I said, and the more you rub it, the more that it looks like the washi tape. So there you have that. Another way that you can do it is you can actually leave it, or excuse me, you can actually lay it right down on your tissue paper. And again, as big as you want it. And then you can turn it over, and you can do the same thing. You can stamp it this way. And then you cut it out, and you can really see really close where it's at. You do a really close cut so that you don't leave any of the paper behind. And this one, you're ready to place it on the page rather than have it already on your page. And again, you just rub it, keep rubbing it, kind of makes it so it gives it that more washi look. And then you can peel it back off, and then you can place it wherever you'd like. As you can see on my card here, I did a couple of different colors, and this is both the tissue paper, and I did the green over here with the tissue paper. Now I'd like to show you the washi tape that I did that's a glitter, and you can see it on my layout right here. And I actually did a really thin, so you can do the thinner or the thicker, and they even have like a 1 inch that you can use. So we'll just set this tissue paper to the side. Another design, going back to the tissue paper, that's really fun is you can buy designed tissue paper already done if you don't want to stamp. And I've actually done one here that I did with just the design paper. And so, like I said, if you don't want to stamp it, you can just buy design paper, or tissue paper, and then you've already got your design, and you just lay that on there and cut it like I showed you, and then you can put that on your layout. Okay, now we're going to create the glitter look. And this is really easy. Again, you just take your tape and lay it down, cut it the desired amount that you want, Then you're going to take the back off of it. Sometimes it's a little tricky to get off with nails. There we go. Then you're just going to take your glitter and you're going to just take a pinch of it and just rub it on there. Just get enough so it kind of spreads on through the whole entire thing. And then just rub it in really good. Kind of bring the glitter back into it. And don't be afraid to rub, because the more you rub it and the harder you rub, the darker that you're going to achieve. And this makes a really fun washi tape, but also makes it really fun because it's glittery. And once you've got that done, then you're just going to take it and you're going to do a tap, 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 and I'll just use the back of this. You're just going to tap, 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 tap. And I just take a little brush and kind of get the excess off there so that you don't have that on there. And just get that all off your page. And there you've got your cute glitter tape. Then to do the other one that looks like the velvet, you do the very same thing. And I've got purple on my finger, so we'll have a little bit of purple glitter here as well, probably. Okay, then you just peel that back as well. Then you're going to take, and this is really neat stuff. This is actually called Funky Flock, and this is by the Rubber Cafe, and they do sell that online. And then you just take your flock, and it's kind of fun, it's kind of thick. You can do the very same thing. Just kind of lay it on your tape and rub it in really good. Don't be afraid to rub. The more you rub, the thicker it goes and the better it looks. Just kind of push that in that way. And then again, you're going to do the tap, tap, tap. Brush off your excess color. And there you've got your velvet look, and you've got your glitter look, and you've got your stamp look. And that makes a real fun washi tape that you can do for your craft design. And that's your tip of the day.